Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen using Maggi noodles. Boil 2 cups of water, add the noodle cake, and cook while stirring for 2 minutes. Mix in the seasoning packet, then taste and tweak with soy sauce or chili oil as needed. Add a soft yolk egg, sautéed greens, or shredded meat to make it heartier. Serve hot in a bowl and enjoy a quick, comforting meal you can personalize. Start by prepping toppings before you boil the water to save time and keep things organized. Chop scallions, slice cooked chicken, and soft-boil an egg for rich texture. Taste the broth and balance with soy sauce, vinegar, or a pinch of sugar if needed. For extra depth, toast the seasoning in a dry pan for a few seconds, then dissolve it into the hot noodles for a bolder flavor immediately. Make a spicy Maggi ramen by mixing chili paste, sesame oil, and a squeeze of lime into the cooked noodles. Add quick pickled carrots or kimchi for acidity and crunch, and finish with toasted sesame seeds. Use leftover roasted vegetables or shredded rotisserie chicken to make a heartier bowl without extra prep. Plate with a soft yolk egg and fresh herbs for contrast and a professional-looking result that's...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.